Yeah, I got a porcini scallop, a perch, a pork chop, and a strip.
Oh, well, this might be my chicken verdicchio then.
So you're guessing it. What table number is this? You don't have to ask. How long?
Yeah, he has not said what table it's coming up.
Here, let's get these out. Boom, boom, boom. We should be okay after that.
Even though there are very few words exchanged between the front of house and the kitchen, food is still being delivered at a reasonable pace.
Porcini scallop.
Unfortunately, the food is missing the mark with many of the customers.
It's kind of gross.
It just doesn't taste good.
The sauce is hoped. Let me get it out of your way. Is there something else we could get for it?
No.
Sorry about that. This was sent back. She said it doesn't taste good. What's wrong with it? She did not like it. It doesn't taste right. It's strong. Huh? It's strong, huh? Very strong. I think what she did is she got a bite of rosemary. Oh, God, Joe. If she complains she's got a branch of rosemary in her teeth, no, she's not. I think it's overpowering. The beer doesn't work and it's too strong. He didn't mention anything about rosemary. Come on. Man. Hey, we're past that. What have you cooked? I can't cook there. Me. Tried to cook there. Passion. Passion fruit, mate. That's the closest you'll get to passion.
You got a devil in your ravioli. A rock. Yeah. An actual rock. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's a rock. I will take this.
What is it?
This was in my lady's ravioli.
What is it?
Like a rock.
Wow.
Jerry, ladies, order ravioli. Like a rock in there. What table number, please?
31.
It's like a stone. Never seen it before. That doesn't happen here, but it happened now. All right, what else can we up here? He is being so critical and so brutal. Tommy, we're gonna make all the bad food that we make for everybody.
Wow.
Oh my God. Hey. That's it. I can't do anymore. I can cook. Let me tell you, but I ain't gonna do this.
Coming up,
My God.
a nasty secret is revealed.
Surely you got a bit more respect than that.
And Chef Ramsay has had enough with Joe Nagy.
Wake up! You wake up!
It's the most intense confrontation Chef Ramsay has had all year.
You want me out of here? I'm gonna leave. Look.
Hey, you guys hear about Little Caesars? They have pepperoni pizzas for $5, hot and ready to go.
Is everywhere, and there will be more. And the truth
What are you working for?
is more terrifying than they imagine.
Who are you?
I'm Amelia's mom. Touch, all new, coming up next on Fox.
It's dinner service in Mill Street Bistro. And in spite of multiple dishes being returned to the kitchen,
Jerry, ladies, order ravioli. Like a rock in there. All right, what else can we up here?
Joe remains in denial.
Tommy, we're gonna make all the bad food that we make for everybody. Oh my God. The chef smiles. I don't care.
Hello? Teresa, how are you?
As part of his research, Chef Ramsay had reached out to a former employee, and her return phone call could not have happened at a better time.
Thanks so much for coming down. You good?
It's nice to meet you.
Likewise.
Good to see you too. I have just some things I want to share with you and tell you.
Let's go stand over here. Wow. Take me from the start, will you, please? Give me some background. You quit recently? How long ago?
A month ago, I was hired for garde and prep.
And then what happened?
I ended up being garde, prep, dishes, cleaning. I do my own prep list. We have no head chef. So I'm in there busting my ass. He has to have someone always to put his frustrations onto, scapegoat. And so he had only me to do it. And I would come in every day and it was just, this is wrong, that's wrong. And telling me how horrible, I was being pretty much. And I just couldn't take it anymore. I'm doing much better now. I'm not crying when I go home. I'm not stressing out before I go to work. The reason I quit is I have too much pride. took some pictures. This is the stuff that was here. That's meat in a baggie.
What's it in a bag?
Blood. It's to be served.
To be served?
That's the chef garden vegetables.
Wow.
That's the black grilled pork chops.
Oh my God, what is it with this guy? He preaches farm to table. All I've seen is frozen to table.
The steaks he buys, he goes to a store and buys little tenderloins and stuff, and he cuts them up.
Why is he pretending? Why is he playing at it? Why is he kidding himself on trying to put the world in customer lives?
He just is a cheapskate. He wants to make money.
The locals in this area, he thinks
He
it's...
also hillbillies.
Seriously. It's dreadful.
He needs to know that what he's doing is wrong. He needs to get his stuff together in there. I don't see how you're gonna do it.
Well, listen, I appreciate you coming down.
Yes, it was nice to meet you.
Likewise.
All right, thank you.
On the heels of getting more disturbing information from an insider, Chef Ramsay knows he needs to do a deeper investigation, and it begins in the storage room.
My God. Half frozen, blood stains, sat. It's not even frozen, it's half soft, half frozen. Where's that from? No date. Wow, what a mess. My God. Frozen food that's been frozen since 2009, 3 years ago, used by 2010. Frozen.